Stop struggling with basic, unreliable car jacks that make every job a nightmare. Today, I'm sharing the 5 best floor jacks for your garage. From heavy-duty 3-ton racing jacks to ultra-low profile designs, these tools make maintenance faster, easier, and much safer. Links to every model are in the description. To level up your DIY game, hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Number 1. Jack Boss 3-ton low-profile racing floor jack. The Jack Boss 3-ton floor jack is the ultimate heavy-duty solution for owners of SUVs, light trucks, and performance cars who demand both power and precision. Built from a high-strength combination of aircraft-grade aluminum and rugged steel, this jack offers the perfect balance of portability and extreme durability. Its standout feature is the dual-piston quick-lift pump system, which allows you to reach your desired lifting height with significantly fewer strokes compared to traditional jacks. With a massive lifting capacity of 6,000 pounds, it effortlessly handles larger vehicles, while its low-profile design, starting at just 3 15/16 inches, ensures it fits under lowered sports cars without any clearance issues. The maximum lift height of over 18 inches provides ample room for jack stands and underbody maintenance. Weighing in at 58.5 pounds, it remains stable and secure during operation, giving you the confidence to perform oil changes, brake jobs, or tire rotations safely. For the serious home mechanic, the Jack Boss represents a professional-grade investment for any garage setup. Number 2. Torin 2.5-ton low-profile aluminum/steel racing jack. When speed and weight are your primary concerns, the Torin 2.5-ton racing floor jack stands out as a top-tier contender. Torin is a legendary name in automotive tools, and this hybrid model showcases their engineering excellence. By combining lightweight aluminum with heavy-duty steel in critical stress points, they have created a jack that is easy to maneuver around the garage, but strong enough to lift 5,500 pounds with ease. The dual-piston quick-lift pump is designed for efficiency, saving you time and physical effort during busy maintenance sessions. Its impressive lifting range, from 3.94 inches to over 18 inches, makes it incredibly versatile for both low-slung sedans and taller SUVs. The side-mounted handles make it easy to carry, while the rubber-padded saddle protects your vehicle's frame from scratches or structural damage. Whether you are at the track or in your driveway, the Torin 2.5-ton jack provides the reliability and smooth hydraulic action needed for safe and efficient lifting every single time. Number 3. DNA Motoring 2-ton hydraulic trolley jack, black, Tools 00234. For the everyday driver who needs a reliable, compact, and portable lifting solution, the DNA Motoring 2-ton black trolley jack is a perfect fit. This jack is designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind, making it an ideal companion for roadside emergencies or basic home maintenance like seasonal tire changes. With a 4,000 pounds capacity, it is perfectly suited for sedans, coupes, and small crossovers. The compact steel frame is light enough to be stored in your trunk without taking up excessive space, yet it is durable enough for regular use. It features a lifting range of 5.1 inches to 13 inches, providing the necessary height for most standard vehicle maintenance tasks. The 360-degree swivel casters allow for easy positioning even in tight garage spaces, and the heavy-duty steel construction ensures long-term reliability. While it is smaller than racing jacks, its straightforward hydraulic system and solid build quality make it a dependable no-frills tool that gets the job done safely and efficiently. Number 4. VEVOR 2.5-ton heavy-duty steel floor jack. The VEVOR 2.5-ton floor jack is engineered for users who prioritize raw strength and an ultra-low clearance design. Crafted entirely from heavy-duty reinforced steel, this jack is built to survive the toughest garage environments. Its most impressive feature is the 3.35-inch ultra-low profile, which is specifically designed to slide under vehicles that most standard jacks simply cannot reach. This makes it an essential tool for modified cars, tuners, and sports car enthusiasts. Despite its compact and low-to-the-ground stance, it delivers a solid 5,500 pounds of lifting capacity. The single-piston hydraulic pump is precision-machined for consistent performance, providing a steady and controlled lift from 3.35 inches up to nearly 15 inches. VEVOR has also focused on safety with an integrated bypass system that prevents overloading, ensuring the tool operates within its safe limits at all times. If you are looking for a rugged, reliable, and highly affordable steel jack that specializes in low-clearance vehicles, the VEVOR 2.5-ton model is a fantastic high-value choice. Number 5. DNA Motoring 2-ton low-profile jack, Blue Tools 00474. Rounding out our list is the DNA Motoring 2-ton blue trolley jack, a tool that combines reliable hydraulic performance with a vibrant aesthetic. Similar to its black counterpart, this model is built for the 4,000 pounds weight class, making it ideal for the majority of passenger vehicles on the road today. It features a robust hydraulic system with a safety overload valve, which is a critical feature that prevents the jack from lifting beyond its rated capacity, protecting both the user and the vehicle. The lifting range of 5.1 inches to 13 inches is optimized for standard car heights, and its smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move across concrete floors. The high-gloss blue finish isn't just for looks. It provides an extra layer of corrosion resistance against garage fluids and moisture. This jack is perfect for the hobbyist mechanic who wants a dedicated, easy-to-handle tool for light mechanical work, oil changes, or inspecting the undercarriage. It's a practical and budget-friendly addition to any DIYer's toolkit. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.